guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to install Android Studio on your Windows computer and also create your very first Android app. Let's get started. First open Google Chrome and search for Android Studio. Click on the first result, then download the latest version. You can accept the terms and conditions and wait for the download to complete. Once it is done, open the executable file and follow the installation wizard. Choose the custom option to skip emulator installation and click next until it's finished. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Now let's create our first app. Click on New Project, choose Empty Activity and give your project name. I will call mine First App. Click Finish and wait for the project to load. While we wait, let's set up our Android phone as a physical device. So first, connect your phone via USB cable. While we wait, let's set up our Android phone as a physical device. Connect your phone via USB cable and enable the USB debugging mode. To do this, go to Settings, search for Build Number and click on it multiple times until developer option appear. Now enable the USB debugging option. You are good to go. Once the project is loaded, open the activity_main.xml file. This file will help you to display the user interface. Connect your phone. Now click on the play button and watch your app come to life. We successfully created our first Android app. That's it for today, friends. We have installed Android Studio and created our first app. In our next video, we are explore more features and create even more amazing apps. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next tutorial.